What up, what up? Welcome back to a Q-Tip Fridays. Another Q-Tip Fridays for the brain. You know what I'm saying? The nuggets, the gems that people get out of this. Hopefully it gives value to you in some kind of way. You know what I'm saying? But I try to come across some dope shit that people would love to hear. So, this week's topic, I'll call this amateur trader mistakes, or amateur trader situations. I'm pretty sure we all go through this when we first started, you know what I'm saying? So when it comes down to it, right, like all these topics, when you're going through it, I feel like it's very hard on a person, you know, like a person can feel depressed and all kind of other shit. But when you pass these stages, I feel like it's so funny, you know, like whenever I have a friend that called me like, yo bro, man, like I just lost in the market, bro, I start laughing because it's funny as shit. It's funny as hell. Yo man, I was on full fucking margin, that shit was crazy. That shit is hilarious. It's humor for a trader. Damn man, like fucking news took me out. Bro, it's hilarious because we've all been through it, you know what I'm saying? Like we've all been through, so like to hear somebody else go through it and hear their perspective on it, it's the most funniest thing because everybody's reaction is a bit different, but we all have something in common, you know what I'm saying? So I got a few topics that I want to cover, right? First thing, buying and selling multiple orders and expecting a good outcome. Are you fucking crazy? Pretty much hedging, you know, like you're going, imagine a person just start trading, right? They're trading a random pair, let's say AU or some shit, or UJ. Yeah man, like I got it bro, like listen, like I get it. They're probably doing like 10, 20, 30 orders of 0.01, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Like, what? That's just a mess. What are you going through? You know, like, bro, get it together. Like, what the fuck? So seeing that, it's like, yo, you don't know, you have no idea what you're doing, huh? Like, you're just pressing buttons at that point. It's hilarious, right? Another thing, trading 10 pairs at once and expecting to be consistent. You're trading 10 different, like, let's say a couple majors, a couple exotics, a couple commodities, a couple, let's say energy, you know what I'm saying? Like you're trading all these different assets at one time and you're expecting to become consistent. I doubt that's gonna happen because your brain is all over the place. It's like dating 10 different people, 10 different personalities, 10 different things that they might get upset at, 10 different things that they like to eat. You're gonna drive yourself crazy every single fucking trade or every single day, because it's too much personalities to expect a good outcome to come out of that. It's not likely, you know what I'm saying? Another thing, whenever a person says, oh, your course is too expensive, I'm gonna, like, my friend has one for 200, by all means, have fun. Pretty much, just like prices a lot of times are based on a person's experience, a person's success, a person's, all these things. If you feel like that $200 package is for you, go right ahead, babe. Go right ahead. Have fun. You know, let's see you come back in a couple weeks and tell me how it was. You know, like it happens. You know what I'm saying? Like very, very common. A lot more common than you even think. So people playing the cheap route. The cheap route is, let's say a person starts learning about trading, right? Let's say I have a friend, right, named Johnny. Johnny knows what I do. He knows that I teach people all around the entire world. He knows all these things. Me and Johnny been close for years. Instead of coming to me, Johnny goes to YouTube. He goes to Google. He goes to all these other places except the person that he's known for so long. Why is that? And I'm pretty sure a lot of people can relate to this as well. Why is that? I've known Johnny for so long, but why instead of coming to me knowing that that's my forte, you go to YouTube or Google? And I feel as if it's because they feel like, yo, me and you've been through the same thing. We've gone the same route. There's no way you got this shit and I can't get this shit right here. It's kind of like an ego thing, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like Johnny just doesn't want to admit that, yo, like, I learned from this person. Johnny doesn't want to be the person that says, oh, I learned from Q, because it's ego, you know? But Q could teach you so much teach you so much, but also make sure that you're comfortable knowing that we've known each other for so long, and extra help can definitely be offered as well because we've known each other for so long. But why does Johnny want to go the other route versus just paying a person that he's been known, supporting their business, you know what I'm saying? Supporting what they do, supporting their craft. You know, like, why is it like that? So that's a very, very common thing. Like, this shit's weird. All right. People start planning to quit their job after their first profit. Oh shit, I just made $100. Yo, listen, like, I'm gonna put in my 2 weeks tomorrow. I don't care what you say. I just found out about trading last week. Today I just made $100. I'm about to put in my 2 weeks tomorrow. Calm down. All right. Pause. Just for a tad bit. You know, like, just take your time, because trust me, that account that you made the $100 on is probably not going to be there in a couple days, for the main fact that you could have got lucky. Like, do you have a full reason as to why you did what you did, and why you made the money that you made, or why you didn't make the money that you made or didn't make? There's no reasoning behind that money that you profited in some kind of way. You know, like, it's kind of like you don't know why, but it went blue, then I made $100. Like, it's no reason behind it, you know? There's no, like, this is a common thing that I always notice also. There's no such thing in the market as too high or too low. That means, oh shit, yo, UJ price has been at its all-time high for 2 days. Yo, it's no way it's gonna keep on going. Why not? Why can't it keep on going? Prices can go higher. If things are going good for that currency and that kind of stuff, prices can keep on going higher. Oh shit, it's been shooting down for 4 days. It can't keep on going. It goes for another 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Keep on going. There's no such thing as too high or too low in the market. Always be open to continuations based off of a certain pair that you're trading. You know what I'm saying? A price can keep on getting greater. A price can keep on getting less. You know what I'm saying? Just be open to a bias versus trying to trade against a trend aggressively for no reason based off of your theories. You know what I'm saying? That's not how it works, all right? Price can keep on going. Like, I remember this one time, before we end this, I remember this one time that back in the day, like 2015, like, you know, people were trading like market making method and that kind of stuff, and they were like, yo, listen, like, it did 3 pushes, it has to turn around now. That shit kept on fucking going the same direction for the next 2 months. Do you know how much people got slapped up because they're trying to trade against, or try to go against, or trying to get off of a bounce and that kind of stuff? Just flow with the trend. You know what I'm saying? It's easy, it's stress-free. You know, you can get a lot more done that way, and you can make a lot more money by just not bringing your ego involved in your theories and that kind of shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's trade what you think. No, trade what you see and not what you think. Trade what you see and not what you think. So think less. Only time to think less is on the charts, because what you see, a lot of times, it's obvious. You know what I'm saying? But that's my rant for this Q-Tip Fridays. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm hollering at you guys. Leave your feedback in the comments. I would love that, please. Feedback. That's why I do these things. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hollering at you guys till next Friday. Peace out.